Hello my beautiful angels, welcome back to LJOLUSEsi. So today we are day, I think it's 14, no, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, we're 15. Hi, we're at day 15 today. We are going to be opening, of course, day 15 of the a&aglitter advent calendar. I highly recommend this. Love it so much. Out of the 14 that I've opened, there's only one that I don't like. Day 13. I'm sorry, but I'm just honest. A bit too honest sometimes, but anyway. Excuse me for yesterday. I don't know what was wrong with me. Maybe I took too many tablets. I don't know. Right, I've got to get a bit of tissue because we're going to do a swatch. How are you all doing? How is everybody? Please let me know. I'm okay. Thanks for asking. Right. Let's zoom you in. Better. The lighting is so bad. I'm so sorry. Okay, Hocus Pocus. I just got a Hocus Pocus water decals. How cool. Hocus Pocus special mix. Lid down. That's pretty. So we have like a plum, and then there was some pink and purple. Yeah, that's pretty. I love plum, ox blood. Love it so much. Right. Going to swatch you. I like that. Look at that. The lighting is just rubbish. I'm so sorry. I think to make my videos look better, I need floodlights. That would be great. Yeah, I like this one. This one's really pretty. Come on. There. So you can see the plum. Yeah, that's pretty. I like that. Pretty, pretty, pretty. So that is the Hocus Pocus. Put the lid on before I spill it. Really, really pretty. I like a lot. Right, that is it for today's video. My beautiful people. I was going to say something. I don't know what it was, but yeah. You will see me tomorrow. Please take care. I love you all so much. Kisses to you all. Bye for now.